Hi guys! So today kami ay papunta sa what do you call this one? Seoul Tower. Magki-cable car sana kami, kaso close yung cable car until 1 o'clock. Ayan. Yan yung cable car. Open sila ng 1 o'clock. So we're gonna end up walking up the hill. See if I can make it. I'm already tired. Just started. Yung guys, so para silang ano, cherry blossom. Is it cherry blossom?
Yeah.
Guys, maglalakad kami sa hagdan. Ayan. Aakyatin namin hanggang patay as ng tower. Oh my god. Yung legs ko masakit na. I'm not even halfway. I'm just started. Ayan yung steps. Oh. Pero ang ganda, hindi siya masyadong mainit dito. Ayan. Kasi ano siya, forest. Ayan. Dahan-dahan lang. Ayan guys, yung pupuntahan namin yung tower na yan. Ayan. Ang taas. Ito na view dito. Ayan. Guys, ang ganda ng view. Oh. Laki ng bato na yun. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo yan. Yan ang aakyatin. Ang taas, grabe. Ay. Yan guys, ang ganda ng view sa likod ko. Ayan. Nakakapagod. Ayan yung pa yung mga aakyatin. Pataas ng pataas. Buti na lang maganda dito kasi may forest. I mean, may mga puno. Ayan. Look nyo guys, ang daming ano, cherry blossom. Ayan guys, we're getting closer. Papalapit na papalapit tayo sa tower. Nakakapagod. Ayan na yung tower. Ayan. Finally, we made it. Yan yung tower guys. We made it. Ayan. Nakakapagod.
빈스는 풋불과 양리를 뜻하는 말로
Tower.
흔히 붕어라고도 불렀는데 과거 빙수대에서는 낮에는 연기를 올렸고 밤에는
Guys, ito yung Lock Cave. I don't know what is this. They have this in France as well. Yeah. It symbolizes of your love. I don't want to have one of this. No. You know what? Even if you put million of luck in here, if you're going in separate ways, it's
It's
just
all go rusty. I mean, it looked nice when you first put it there, but then look at this. This is one that's new. It looked nice.
yeah.
And then look at that one.
I know they're filthy. So sabi nila guys, pag naglagay ka dito, says you will be forever together. When is it really real? I don't believe that. Do you? Yan, kung sino may gusto maglagay ng mga keys, maglagay kayo. Kung gusto niyo tumagal kayo daw ng partner or asawa niyo. Yan guys, ang dami oh. Hundreds of them. Lots of keys. Ayan guys, tapos na kami, bababa na kami. Pero hindi kami maglalakad. This time kami magbabas. Ayan, ang ganda dito. Ayan, bababa kami dyan. Mga trees nila, wala pang mga dahon. It's nice. Pero yung mga bulaklak nila, mga bulaklak, nagliliparan. Ayan oh.